Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio MTP-VC01. And first, you can use the top left button to change the mode. So this is the time mode. And then this one is the calendar mode. This one is the alarm. And then this one is the dual time. It has this small DL on the lower left. And then this one is the stopwatch and then back to the time mode. So for this one, we will use the time mode. And then next, we can set the digital time, and to do that, press and hold the lower left button, this one, until the second is flashing or blinking like this. Okay, and yes, we can reset the second using the top left button. So for this one, if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like that one. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, and now press this one, the adjust button. And we can set now the hour. So let's say this is 14 or 2 p.m. So press yes like this. So now 14. Okay, and then press the adjust button. Now we can set the minute. Also use the top left button to increase the number like this. So let's say 14 and 10 like this. And then next, press the adjust button, and now we are setting the time format. So for this one, you can use the top left button to change 12-hour format or 24-hour format. And then press again the adjust button, and now back to the time mode and exit from the setting of the digital time. Okay, next, we will set the analog hands. And to do that, you can press the right button. You can use some pointy object like this. So this one is a toothpick. You can only move the hand clockwise, and one push meaning 20 seconds or 1/3 of a minute like that. And you can press and hold to speed up the process. So now let's set the hands to point at 14:11. Yes, we have 2 o'clock right here, and then again, so this one is 10. Okay, and then this one is 11, and now it's 12. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have set the hands, the analog hands. So it is now 2 o'clock and 12 minutes. So the same as this one, 14 and 12. Okay, now we can move on to the next mode. After this, press the mode button on the top left, and now this one is the calendar. And you can press and hold the adjust button to activate the setting like this. So this one is the month. You can use the top left button to change the number up. So let me set back to 3. Okay, and then press again the adjust button, and now is the date. Also the same thing, use the top left button to change the number. So let's set as 30. You can press and hold to speed up. Okay, and then press again the adjust button, and now is the day of the week. You can use the top left button to change that one, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Okay, press again the adjust button, and done. And yes, that's all for the basic settings. You can press the mode button to change this mode. So this one is the calendar. If you want to move back to the time mode, you can press the mode button several times. And if you want the digital display to view the calendar, you can press it once more. Okay, that's all for the basic settings. Thank you for watching. I will also make the more detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.